Samsung will offer an Xbox Game Pass bundle with the Note 20. So that another piece of news coming out of this event. Do you know anything about this Xbox Game Pass xCloud stuff? Have you been following it?
I think so. It's kind of like Google Stadia.
Yeah, it's their version of Google
games.
Yep, absolutely, their version of Google Stadia.
They have a controller, and apparently it works well with Samsung. They have like during the launch, they had like a really specific section of Microsoft and Samsung working together. So I mean, it's good. It's good business, I guess.
They're doing good business.
Oh yeah,
and you're the business guy, so I would have to believe you on that. So they're, Samsung continue to try to differentiate themselves in different ways wherever possible. The S Pen it gets the conversation started. The Note series has always been a power flagship style phone, which has attracted gamers. I know I can recall collaborations they've done with gaming companies in the past. I think they had a Fortnite collaboration at one time. And this is it's in line with the branding a little bit here. It's not a gaming phone, but hey, you can game on it, and here's how. So this agreement, the good business that you're talking about, breaks down like this. You're going to get an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate bundle for the Note 20, which includes a Power A Moga XP5-X Plus Bluetooth controller. How about that name for a controller? They should have just kept going at that point. The Power A Moga XP5-X Plus. It sounds, wow. Anyway, that's the Bluetooth controller. It's been getting a little bit of attention recently. It allows you to slot in your Note series. It has a clip that comes with it to hold your phone in place. And that controller also has a 3,000 milliamp hour battery, which will charge your device as you're using it, which is pretty cool. And you'll also get 3 months of Game Pass Ultimate included in the package, and that usually costs $15 a month. So it's a kind of a bundle deal here. It's kind of a good idea, a nice little collaboration. And everybody wants a piece of the mobile gaming market. And it turns out, whether it's a gaming phone or a Note series device, everyone's trying to figure out what the optimal way to game on mobile is.
Yes.
And I got to be honest, I haven't put a tremendous amount of time into the controller-based mobile gaming. But when I was messing with the gaming phones, the ROG phone, and prior to that, the Black Shark devices, with the various attachments that give you a controller-like experience, but plugged into the sides of the phone, those you're going somewhere. We're reframing. I thought you were going to go try to grab one of those phones or something.
No.
So I immediately saw an improvement in my gameplay just having some tactile control, and it wasn't to the same degree as having an actually dedicated controller. So yes, I think this is probably the optimal setup for mobile gaming, to have a controller and a clip and then swap in whichever phone you like and a wireless connection, or in this case, the ability to charge your device at the same time. The problem with this implementation is the scale of it. It's bigger than the phone. It's an at-home kind of setup for the most part. It's less portable than the gaming phone with the attachments, but if you're trying to do some extended gaming sessions, there's no substitute for a real controller.
Yes. And it's more comfortable.
Oh, it's way more comfortable. So you're going to, you pop open whatever the game, PUBG, some type of shooter, and you've got the controller ready to go. It's a different story now. And everybody's going to be jealous. So this is a way for you to try out xCloud. The Xbox Game Pass Ultimate Bundle will be available August 21st. You'll get $150 of Samsung credit if you pre-order the Note 20, and you can use that towards the bundle. So gamers got a nice little something in today's Samsung event.